Are you tired of those restrictions you are having on your videos, or those copyright strikes that YouTube is giving you due to the music you are using on your YouTube videos? So a couple of times people ask me, how do I get those music I use my YouTube videos that I don't get restrictions or copyright? So today I will teach you guys how I do that. So if you are seeing this face for the very first time, I am Pamela and you are welcome to the channel. We have a good time here. I would like you to kindly share this video to many people so it will get to them, to reduce the restrictions and copyright people have due to the music we use on their videos. So without further ado, we'll just dive straight into the video. First thing first, you have to download SoundCloud, and when you must have downloaded that, I will walk you through on how you can get those best free non-copyrighted music for your videos.
So this is how you can log into your SoundCloud to be able to get non-copyrighted music for your YouTube videos, okay? So when you log into SoundCloud and you type non-copyrighted royalty free music, okay? Once you're done typing it, allow it to load. Once it's done loading, it will bring out many musics for you. Then go to playlists, go and search for royalty free. You can see I clicked on it. Then keep playing any sound, then pick your favorite. Once you pick your favorite, click on the three dots there and copy the link to the video, the link of the music. Then go to your Chrome, okay, type in clickodd.com. Once you type it in, after typing it in and it opens, you click on the first one, click odd. When it opens, you see this enter SoundCloud audio URL. You paste the link that you copied and you click on convert. Then it will show download song, okay? You click on that download song, it will download, and once it's done downloading, it will say saved successful, saved to your file. The next thing you need to do is minimize and go to my file on your phone and check if the music that has been saved from that ClickOdd is already there. Then after that, go to your CapCut, input the video that you want to add music to, and go to audio. Once you open audio, go to sound and you click on my device. When it opens, you see device, select from device, you click on that. Then you go to your file and select that music that you want to add to your video that you just collected from ClickOdd, okay, or you save from SoundCloud. Then you input it in your CapCut so that whenever you want to add music to your video that you're editing, you can easily add it without copyright strike.
I hope you find this tutorial very, very helpful. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Stay subscribed. We have a good time on the channel. Comment your best and favorite video on my channel. Share my videos. Support your girl. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.